want me to help you with the bow? Here we go. Let's get the bow off first. Oh, get it. Get it in there, Bear. Get it. Get it. Look how good he is at that, huh?
What is it, Ruby? What's he doing?
Oh, you got a box of pull-ups.
Oh.
Get it. Should we see what's in the box, though? I think that's where the gift is. Should we see what's in here?
Box of pull-ups.
Okay, what's in there?
Oh.
What's in there? What is it? Look how look at it.
What is
What
it?
is it?
Oh!
What is that?
It's tomato!
Is that Mater?
Oh!
Oh my goodness, did you get a Mater? Do you want me to turn him on? Let's see what he does. What does Mater do?
What is it, Alice? Oh! What do you think to that, Ruby? What do you think?